Hello beautiful people, today I made cherry pineapple pie. I made it because really I've had a desire to make it for a long time, and I've just been postponing it, but then today I said let me make it for myself and then for my beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back. It's me, Greyglamma, and just as you can see, I made this beautiful, this yummy and gorgeous cherry pineapple pie. It is very easy to make. Before I proceed, before I continue, hit the like button and subscribe if you have not. The ingredients are in the description box, so let's go. Add a cup of brown sugar and a cup of melted butter. Mix everything together until it comes out smooth. We are making the bottom layer of this pie, which will later turn out to be the upper layer. Now you pour the mixture into a baking pan. Spread out evenly on the pan. And then you add your pineapple, the pineapple cuts. Now add the cherry into the pineapple, the hole in the pineapple. This is turning out very beautiful. Okay, now we are going to make the upper layer. Beat 1 cup of white sugar and melted butter until it comes out creamy. Just this way. Then you add 2 eggs and beat very well. You know, almost everything about cake and pie is beat and mix. You know, you keep on mixing and then beating and beating. It goes on that way. Then you add the pineapple juice. This will give it a very natural pineapple taste, and this pie is yummy. Now we are going to add the dry ingredients. Here I'm measuring out 2 cups of all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sieve everything into the liquid mixture and turn. Now we are not going to mix, we are just going to turn it. Give it a turn, a very soft turn. Don't overdo it, okay? Now you pour the mixture into the pan. The pan, you see how it is, where the pineapple and the cherry are there sitting waiting. You pour it on top of it and then distribute evenly and place it into the oven for like 20 minutes. Bake at 150 degrees centigrade. And then your cherry pineapple pie is ready. Just like I said earlier, the base part that we prepared is now going to be on top. That's how life is. At times you are at your lowest level, and at times you find yourself on the top. So when you're at your lowest level, don't worry, things will turn around. Our cherry pineapple pie is ready to be enjoyed. Yeah, I did enjoy this. It is gorgeous. It is tasteful. It is so yummy. Try it at home. I know you will like it because this recipe is very simple and easy to make. Thank you for watching this video, for subscribing and sharing my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, I remain your favorite Greyglamma. Bye.